Down to that point where somebody's heart is going to get broken. I'm scared. My heart is really going out to her. She's never really, been in any serious long-term relationship. I think that she's seen a lot of things in her life. And once she gets past that, she'll be able to be, an amazing, well-rounded person. It's very hard for me to show emotion. So what if it's that? You need to say something to me, and I just might go enough to show it. All you do is
Or no.
Totally,